Ricky the rabbit hopped through the forest. The sun warmed his fur. He sniffed the air for yummy clover. Suddenly he saw something sparkle. It was a tiny golden key. Ricky had never seen a key like this before. What did it unlock? He had to find out. He tucked the key into his pocket. Ricky hopped off to find his friend, Grandpa Tortoise. Ricky found Grandpa Tortoise by the babbling brook. Grandpa Tortoise was munching on a juicy dandelion. "Grandpa," Ricky said, "look what I found." He showed him the golden key. Grandpa Tortoise adjusted his spectacles. He took a closer look. "That," he said, "is a very special key." He told Ricky about the hidden garden. It was a magical place, filled with the tastiest treats for all animals. Grandpa Tortoise explained the key unlocked the hidden garden. But the garden was hard to find. Many had searched for it. "Find the wise old owl," Grandpa Tortoise advised. He might know the way. Ricky thanked Grandpa Tortoise and hopped off. He soon found the wise old owl. The owl was dozing, but Ricky's question woke him up. To find the hidden garden, the owl hooted, "You must solve my riddle." Ricky thought hard. What had no voice but could still speak? Then it hit him. "A book!" Ricky exclaimed. The owl hooted, pleased. He gave Ricky directions to the next challenge. "Beware the wobbly bridge," he warned. Ricky soon came upon a very wobbly bridge, and guarding it was Freddy Fox. Freddy was known to be a bit mischievous. "Hello, Ricky," Freddy said, grinning. "Want to cross? You'll have to answer my riddle first. What has an eye but cannot see?" Section 5. Through the Sunflower Maze. Ricky knew this one. "A needle!" he shouted. Freddy laughed, impressed. He let Ricky cross. The bridge wobbled and swayed, but Ricky held on tight. On the other side, he found himself facing a field of towering sunflowers. The sunflowers were taller than Ricky. He had to find his way through. Grandpa Tortoise had told him about this. "Follow the sun," he whispered to himself. He remembered the sun set in the west. Following the setting sun, Ricky found his way through the maze. Section 6. The Hidden Garden. On the other side of the sunflower maze, Ricky saw it. A tiny wooden door appeared, and in the lock was a keyhole, just the right size for his golden key. His heart beat faster. This had to be it. Ricky turned the key. Click! The door swung open with a creak. A beautiful garden lay before him. It was full of colorful flowers and delicious smells. This was the hidden garden. Section 7. A feast for Ricky. Ricky had never seen so many treats. Juicy carrots of every size and color grew in neat rows. Sweet red berries glistened on bushes. There were cabbages bigger than his head. Ricky took a big bite of a carrot. It was the tastiest carrot he'd ever eaten. He filled his pockets with berries. He nibbled on a juicy strawberry. He couldn't believe how lucky he was. Section 8. Sharing the bounty. Then Ricky thought of his friends. They would love these treats. He gathered as much as he could carry. He carefully placed berries and carrots in his pockets. Ricky raced back through the sunflower maze and across the wobbly bridge. He couldn't wait to share his discovery. The hidden garden was a secret no more. Section 9. Ricky's next adventure. Ricky told all his friends about the magical garden. He brought them back to share in the delicious bounty. The animals were so thankful for Ricky's kindness. The key, they realized, unlocked something even more special than treats. It unlocked friendship and sharing. And so Ricky continued to have many more adventures in the forest, always searching for new wonders and sharing them with his friends.